Easy, boy. What is it? What did you find? Oh, wow. Hang tight, birds. We're coming in.
It's okay, little ones. I've got you. We'll have you free in a moment.
Audio features a female police officer speaking in a strong, clear, yet warm and assertive voice.
It's okay, I'm getting you out of here. Just hold still for me.
I'm gonna get you out of there. Just hold still, okay? You're gonna be fine. It's all right, easy now. We're gonna get you out of here. Audio features a female police officer speaking in a strong, clear, yet warm and assertive voice.
Easy now, I've got you.
Almost there.
You're safe now.
Almost free, easy now. It's all right, easy now. We're almost there, you're gonna be okay.
Hang on, almost got it. Just a little longer, okay. You're gonna be fine. It's okay, Mama Bird. You're safe now. We're gonna get you and your baby some help.
There we go, you're free now.
It's okay, Mama Bird. I've got you both. We'll get you somewhere safe. Almost there, almost there. There we go. You're safe now. It's okay, you're safe now. Everything is gonna be all right. Easy now, we'll have this off in no time. Just hold still for me.
We're applying the antiseptic now. It's heartbreaking to see this much plastic, but we're getting them to safety.
Easy now, we'll have this off in no time. Just hold still for me.
We're applying the antiseptic now. It's heartbreaking to see this much plastic, but we're getting them to safety.
Hang in there, buddy. We're almost done. You're safe now.
There we go, nice and secure. You're very brave, Mama Bird. We'll take care of you both. It's okay, little one. We're here to help you. You're safe now.
Almost done, buddy. You're safe now. We'll get you cleaned up.
It's okay, little one. You're safe now. We're gonna take care of you and your mom. Drink up, sweetie. You're safe now. Good bird. Don't worry, we've got you now. You're safe with us. We're gonna take care of you and your mother. There you go. Nice and safe in here. Everything is gonna be all right.
They're safe now. Let's go, partner.
Welcome to the rescue center. You're safe now. We'll take good care of you.
Here are the macaws, Doctor.
Thank you, officer.
Hello, my beautiful birds. You're safe now.
That's it. Nice and slow. You're a strong little fighter, aren't you?
You're being very brave. We're almost finished cleaning this up, and you'll be good as new. This will help you heal. You are very brave.
The mother is fully recovered and can go home with the baby today.
That is wonderful news. Thank you, doctor.
It's okay, sweet birds. You're safe with me now. Let's get you inside.
It's okay, Mama Bird. You did so well protecting your little one. We're here to help.
Here you go. Nice and easy. That's it.
There you go, little one. Eat up. You need to grow big and strong. We're so glad you're safe now. You're safe now, little one. This will help you feel better. Oh, wow, look at those wings. You'll be flying in no time. It's so good to see you both doing so well.